In today's video, let me show you how to use Deepseek for data analysis. Now, there are multiple use cases where you can use Deepseek, such as analyzing your data, debugging your code, using it for statistical testing, and even for explanation of the code. For this video, I'm just going to use a simple use case for analyzing sales data. Let's say I have a CSV file of a monthly sales data and I want to understand the performance. My goal inside of this is to find the total revenue, the best selling product, and see if sales are trending up or down. Instead of trying to now remember complex Excel formulas or Python code, I can ask Deepseek to do the heavy lifting. So this is the prompt that I have added in. Hacked as a data analysis, I have a pandas data frame, the name of the folder or the CSV file with the following columns: date, product, unit sold, and price. Please provide me with the Python code to achieve the following, and you can add in the specific task that you want to do for this particular data. Now, after you do that, make sure you attach the CSV file as well so that Deepseek can take a look at it and generate the outcome that you need. Now, the idea for writing in prompts is you need to be specific of what the exact outcome must be. As long as you do that, Deepseek or any other AI platform will generate complete ideas and outcomes that are completely useful for you. And there you go. That's how you use Deepseek for data analysis. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.